Spirit Boosters, this is just a small grocery replacement snacks, something to go with the chili I made the other day. My husband, he wanted a tamale, so he ran by Smart and Final, picked up some tamales, got another case of Crystal Geyser water, and the chicken tamales, it's the family pack. You get 12 5-ounce chicken tamales. It's a 3-pound bag. I don't know what they cost. And he got some Swahili fillets. And he decided he gonna cook a big fish fry on Memorial Day. We gonna barbecue again on the 4th of July, which, if y'all don't know, it's on a Monday, I believe. So y'all gotta go back to work on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays. I know folks hate it. I know I hated it when I was working. We was like, we gotta come back to work the next day. It was like on a Wednesday or something. It's like, are you kidding me? So I forgot to say welcome back to the channel, y'all. I'm always forgetting to welcome y'all back to this channel. Look at loose visitors, passing-bys, trolleys. How y'all doing? Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Give me lots of thumbs up. Share the video. Watch the video. And don't forget to leave some amazing comments, some questions. And Sushai, you keep asking me about them lemons. I swear every time I get some lemons, you always saying why I like lemons or what I'm getting lemons. I don't know why you keep asking me that, because a lot of food that I purchase, you share that you don't care for. But the way your question go, I don't mind you asking questions and stuff, but I'm always getting lemons. Lemons, you say you don't like lemons, but I love lemons. Lemons have a lot of beneficial qualities and usefulnesses. Now, you say you have never used lemons. Okay, that's okay. But I like lemons. And why do I wash them? You read in the comment, like I already told you. Because they nasty. Everybody and somebody and strangers have touched and handled that food that's been in the public, and I wash everything. You see this stuff up here while I'm sharing with you on top of my stove? It's been wiped down with bleach and soap. Yes, it has. Yes, it has. The virus going around, Susai. I know I'm fussing at you, but I don't know why you even said why I'm cleaning stuff. I don't want to get the viruses. Look at me. I don't even know if I'm virus attacked me or virus influence. Let me say it that way. I'm always singing now on my videos. I'm mentally affected by something. But I am happy. I'm happy because I got all the channels that I want. Gardening, crafting, and grocery shopping. And I do have other things that I like, but these are 3 favorites that I am enjoying sharing with you all. And I hope you guys are enjoying it too. Like, before I put this up, I'm going to put up a crafting video, and I'm going to share my reindeer story, people. A little short amateur movie night on my crafting channel. If you want to see an amateur movie night, come on over to the crafting channel. It's a little short little amateur put together of my little crafts with music, so it could have a dramatic effect. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching this video. And did I complete the haul? I don't even think I can just get carried on. Hold on. I'm always carrying on and forget what the heck I'm supposed to be doing. Now, I shared the Swahili fillets because instead of a barbecue, we're going to have a fish fry on Memorial Day. And I also got some French rolls to go with that. We're going to have potato salad or fries, onion rings, you know the works. Then also we got, the husband picked up some of these 2 bags of these Red Robin steak fries. Seasoned steak fries. I've been there one time in my life, and I went there because they bragged about it so much, but it was not all that to me. Red Robin, y'all got a Red Robin? Let me know in the comments. If not, you know, share with your hamburger stand where they brag about, and when you finally go eat there, it's not all that. I'm sure there's something out there. But anyway, what the prepper's doing now, same as usual. Talking about the stuff gonna run out. I shared the potato shortage thing. They did the wheat thing. Now they say they getting baby milk from Germany. All this alleged, because hey, rumors out there. All the rumors are true. Yeah, all the rumors are true. Silly. So once again, you gotta have a gadget if you want the audience to apply for you. Bet y'all don't know where that came from. If you do, say so in the comments. You gotta have a gimmick if you wanna win it. Yeah, being silly again. Hey grandkids, how y'all doing? G Mama is not in this video today. G Mama about to pass out. I'm sleepy, tired, and got so much to do. But anyway, I think I finished with this haul. Hope you guys have what you need, getting prepared, staying clear of the viruses, because stuff picked back up. I'm on and off, because sometimes I have a headache, sometimes I be like I'm getting a sore throat. That's especially when I'm in drafts. The air is allegedly completely contaminated. So what we gonna do? We all breathing the same air. People that don't like you, other people, you're breathing the same filthy, contaminated air. How you doing? But anyway, I'm gonna get out here. I have chatted enough. I just came through, see how y'all doing, tell you how I'm doing, what I'm doing, what's about to happen. Thanks for all you guys that did come through and watch my videos on my crafting channel and my gardening channel. I got to put up part 2 and 3 on my gardening channel about the updates on some plants and stuff. So if you watched episode 1, thank you. And if you watched my crafting videos, thank you. Appreciate it. I need your help. If any of you have not gone over there and subscribed, just subscribe. You don't have to you know, watch the crafting videos if you don't want. I just want your support just by from subscribing to the channel, period. That's the biggest support you could ever give me, is just subscribe. And occasionally you feel like coming through and watching any gardening or crafting videos, appreciate you. You know I love you. I love you here. I love you there. Now I'm about to get off here because I have rattled enough. And have y'all noticed y'all comments disappearing, subscribers being deleted? I keep adding people to my, like I got a crafting playlist for friends. I got crafting friends, gardening friends, and a prepper friends playlist. So if y'all want to see if I've been watching y'all videos, click on the playlist and you'll see your name in the video that I watched. But for some reason, things keep disappearing. Comments, likes, subscribers. These glitches are irritating, annoying, make you miserable, make you fuss, complain, and ooh, that's what you do when these glitches on YouTube act up the most. But if y'all experiencing the same, missing subscribers, likes, comments, you trying to click on something and don't work, let me know, because I don't want to be out here being crazy by myself. I know, hey Shirley, I know you mentioned it in the comments, Shirley, on the Prepper channel, that subscribers are being deleted and carrying on. Y'all see Shirley channel in the comment, in my community tab, and also you'll see her in the comments section. She spelled her name S-H-E-R-L-E-Y. S-H-E-R-L-E-Y. Hey Shirley. And she's a crafter. She does other stuff too, but she like to do those diamond paintings. Very creative. That's crafting. Hey, check her out. Shout out to Shirley. If I'm talking about you, I might as well be I'm shouting you out. Let me see. Who else? Y'all know I got that amnesia. Beverly over there, she doing food pantry hauls, stack or starve. Y'all got to check her out. She got some great pantry hauls. And don't forget about Pam. These folks are in on my community tab. Check them out. You like food pantry hauls? Food pantries, where they go, they giving away some amazing stuff. They give them a lot of food. I still have yet to go check a food pantry out. But y'all heard the message. You know the tips. Stay in survival mode, crisis mode, last plate mode, uppercut mode, watch out for granny mode, fair game mode, all the modes. But most importantly, prepper mode. Get prepared. Start your food pantry storage area today. Get prepared with supplies. Have it's an emergency bag. Duck and dodge while you're shopping. Who knows? There's a lot going on. People's minds being affected. Just evils out there too. Ain't nobody sick. They just evil. Hateful folks out there. Watch out for them. Duck, dodge, lean. Get out of the area. Don't go there no more. Stay off that street. Don't turn down that way. Hey, do that person look strange? All these is some helpful hints that you might want to use while out shopping and about. All right, y'all. Talk to y'all later. Happy prepping. Y'all be safe now. Happy holidays. Happy weekend.